To me, the biggest benefit is not having to go through the surgeries. The surgeries were very invasive. You had to recoup from the incisions, of course, and that took several weeks, if not a month. And then after that, after each of those surgeries, I had 20 to 30 physical therapy sessions. So that recuperative process was a very, very long one. Compared to the Xiaflex, which maybe I was lucky, but within 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, I was really back to normal. So to me, that was a fantastic benefit. Good morning, my name is Ronald Michaels. I'm a college professor, and I had Xiaflex injections by Dr. Riggenbach. My story goes back several years. I had the first onset of Dupuytren's in my mid-50s, and I've had 3 surgeries. And so I spoke to Dr. Riggenbach. He brought up the possibility of doing the Xiaflex, and I did that with really good results. And the major benefits to this, I guess, in my personal life, really are the simple things. In other words, if you have, this last time I had 3 fingers that were about 90 degrees down towards my palm, and try to put on a pair of gloves with that condition. It's virtually impossible. I found that the Dr. Riggenbach and his staff here are very professional. It's a very efficiently and professionally run clinic. Their doctor's office there. The waiting time has always been minimal for me. If you have a 10 o'clock appointment, you tend to get in at 10 o'clock. I found that Dr. Riggenbach is exceptional at explaining things clearly, and is always willing to take the time to answer your questions and make sure that he has done that. So I really like this practice, and like I say, I've had nothing but I really have good things to say about it. If you've had previous surgeries, I would ask Dr. Riggenbach about the option to have the Xiaflex injections, because to me the advantage is just tremendous versus the surgeries. And I speak from personal experience. I certainly would recommend Dr. Riggenbach in this practice. Like I say, I've always had, to me, doctors have to be professional. They should be willing to listen to you. They should be willing to answer your questions. You would hope that they would be punctual, and I found all of those things in this practice, and I have nothing but good things to say about it.